Hello guys, welcome to the for you family. Today I thought of taking a challenge to run a container to host a static website less than 2 minutes. So let us jump into the practical, and once I create the container, let me explain what are the things I have done. Let's get started. Okay, fine. So I'm just downloaded. If you go to this website, okay, you can able to just download whatever the HTML page you like. So I'm in front of just this website. So what I just did was I just downloaded this website into my local. If I go to my downloaded page, you can able to see this one. This is the one, and I have unzipped all the content, and this is the content of that one. And in my desktop, and that is a folder called Docker online images. Okay, so what I did was sorry, here if I go to here my E drive, that is a folder called HTML, and I'm just pasted all this website related CSS page here, and I'm going to run this container. If I go to my this one Docker Pro, if I just do pwd, I have mounted this one. So I'm going to run this website using this command. What I'm doing is I'm mapping my port host port 81 to the Docker container port 80, and I'm mapping all my content of this files to this nginx container. And by the way, I have downloaded the nginx container. So yeah, so boom. Now if I go here and if I put localhost 81, yeah, you can see fine. Yeah, I think I have achieved my goal within the time frame which I specified. Now I will explain what I have done or what is the command is doing. So if you go to here, that is this is the container. First, let me go to here and let me clear my screen. Fine. So there are a bunch of command that we need to know before we work into Docker. So there won't be any magic or something if you just put type Docker and hyphen h maybe help you. Yeah, this will give you or help. Okay, so this will give you all the command you need to run. So for example, if I want to know what is the Docker version, docker hyphen v, you can able to see I'm using a Docker version 20 and the build number is this one. Okay, fine. So now what I have done was, before that I just have downloaded nginx image, docker images. If you see, I have bunch of images in my local, and this is the nginx image which I used for running the container which I showed you. So here I have a command, and this command, what I will explain this command what it's doing. So docker run is a command, and hyphen d the detached mode, and p is for the port number to map from my host machine to the container, and v for volume. I'm just mapping all the files. If you go to my this one, so under this one HTML, I'm having these many files. Okay, what I'm inside this HTML, I'm mapping this HTML folder to my Docker in container that is used in the nginx, that is user share nginx. This is the default path of the nginx, and inside that one I'm mapping here with HTML, and the name I'm giving to my container. This is the name of the container, Rajesh website one, and the base image or the container which we use to run this container is nginx. Okay, so if I want to see what are the content inside this container, okay, I can just simply go to here. Now what I'm doing is I'm getting inside to the container, docker exec. This is the command. This was interactive terminal, and what is the name of the container? maybe I know that it's or I can what I can do docker ps. This will list all the container. This I'm going to give docker exe hyphen it for interactive. It's nothing but to allocate a few one terminal to interact. Okay, now I'm just giving sh. So if you see, now we are inside the container, and if I just want to list the files inside this container which we use to run the command, you see this one about html, the same files which we saw here, right? So the magic behind this scene, what was happened, I taken nginx base container, I mapped my local files or a folder inside the nginx container, and I just run this command. Okay, see the magic now. So I just want to replace this cave with some other website now. Okay, so how simple this is, I will tell you. Okay, you go here, I have something here, and if I go to online images, okay, this cave. Okay, okay, what I thought, okay, so maybe I will just copy all this one, and or I can just copy this whole folder, and I'm coming here, and I'm going to this one pro. I'm going to replace this one. Okay, fine, I'm going to replace. So now if you see the website now, this is changed with new content, or I can say the other website which I just copied. Okay, fine, this is just to get the basic understanding how the container work, nothing more or something. Okay, fine. So localhost 81, if you see this one, yeah, we are mapping my local port number, host port, and this is the container port, and yeah, done. Thank you guys, but I think I have completed my challenge before 6 second. I can say 6 minute, yeah, and I'm planning to give more focus on the Docker command. I'm already prepared that one, and I'm thought of creating another video for like a Docker and Azure things, and also a few like AWS related stuff. Yeah, so this is my pipeline video that I'm planning for my upcoming weeks. Thank you guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.